Okay, today I will show you how to connect any joystick for Remote Play PS4. You need to install 3 software, that is Remote Play PS4, Ps4 Macro Beta, this one here, and you need to have this AntiMicro. Then any joysticks, plug this one up. Okay, it will show you this button. Okay, first you need to open this one up option and then select game controller mapping. Set this up for your button, A, B, X, Y. I just show you the basic of this thing. Then follow this one up. Is there any button that you can't go that's right? Just keep it to this side and press the next button. So press save and then go to the quick set and press your button by one. Just select up. It will show you which button that you will go. For me, I will select up, and then you will move on by one until each button is mapped as your keyboard button. It can be anything. Use one Q, W, anything that you want to set. Okay, then you can minimize this one to hide, and then go open this one first and then open this one. You can download these 3 things from the website, that is Ps4 Macro, and this one up you can download it from here, and this one here, AntiMicro. Okay, press start. You need to connect your PS4, and this one you can learn it from people tutorial. And open this one up. When you press, you need to press this one first, and it will be greenish. Press 2 and then remapper. Press your button up according to this and save your binding. Do not close this remapper toolbox, and just go from this one. Open this one up. Oops, I don't use this one as a, so press this one up, press input and then press HDMI. As you can see, this one works well with me. Okay, for button that you don't have, you need to use like you can just replace it with any button that you want, and then when you want to use it, you just click on your keyboard. That's for replacement. Okay, that's from me. Thank you.